Good morning to all. Today, conducting yoga class. The first group, warming up exercise, will start now. Keep hand like this. Rotate your shoulders slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down, hand down. Then you go for the side raising hand. 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down. Relax. Then change exercise. 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down. Change again. 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down. Exhale, change. Side twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, down, hand down. Relax. Side bend. Keep a hand leg like this. As much of distance. Open the leg. Okay. Then go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Relax. Relax. So then I go for the front bend, back bend. Lightly forward bend start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Relax. Down. Relax. Squat please. Hold my toes. Slowly bend up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Sit long sitting position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Keep leg straight. Alternate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Relax. Rock and rolling. Close body. Hold the hand like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Relax. Keep legs straight. Relax. Then leg crossing. Hip twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bend leg. Again side twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Come to Makrasana position. Step 1, just like down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down. Keep a hand like this. Lightly twisting. Hip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, relax. Bend your leg. Keep a hand same. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. This is the warming up group. Okay, children. This is warming up group. Okay, then we'll go for asana. Standing position asana. The first we will start third asana. Right? And slowly breathe in. Just interlock your hand. Turn. Full stretch. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So every asana we should do it 3 sets. Okay, today I give demo only for one set. Right. Padashtangasana. Breathe in slowly. Yeah. Forward bend. Slowly breathe out, forward bend. Try to touch in the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Relax. Next we will go for the Trikonasana. Keep leg straight as much of distance. Slowly breathe in. Lightly go down. Forward side bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Every student please listen. 10 count is must. Change side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly. Hand down. Relax. Relax. Then sitting position. Keep legs straight. This is the Paschimottanasana. It is very important asana. Breathe in. Sit straight. The forearm should be touched on your ears. And slowly forward bend. Breathe out. Try to hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in. Slowly. Breathe out. Relax. Relax. It's a very easy asana. Janasarisasana. Okay, breathe in. Again. Breathe out. Forward bend. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in. So sit straight. Slowly down. Change leg. Breathe in. Breathe out. Forward bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in. Relax. Relax. Last asana has come to the today Virasana. So bend leg and slowly come to Vajrasana. Sit straight and backward bend. Elbow support. Down. Interlock your hand. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly sit again. Long sitting position. Keep legs straight. Okay. This today asana over. You can do at least 5 to 6 asana every day is enough. But you should practice. Okay. Then we'll go for the pranayama. Sit. Normal Padmasana. You try to sit. This is the Padmasana. You can sit in these positions. And normal Sukhasana also you can sit, normal positions. Okay? Sit straight, Chin Mudra position, keep the hand like this because it is very important. So when we'll just connect the both the hand, so it will help to our brain, it will improve our circulations in body. Sit straight and concentrate, also it will help to our concentrate. So first Bhastrika Pranayam, slowly breathe in, breathe out. Very slowly. When you take inhale, the stomach, chest full completely just to open. The example of balloon. Breathe in. Hold. Holding. Same. Breathe out. Breathe in. Slowly. Breathe in. Breathe out. This type, you should be doing it continue at least for 10 to 12 times. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Very slowly. Then finally, you just like cross your hand, put on your eyes like this. Slowly open your eyes, see your hand. Okay, right. So next we will go for the Anulom Vilom. Just like this. 2 fingers only, fold it. Okay, like one side. First you close your nose. First inhale, only inhale. Slowly. Then holding, change my nose, side change. Breathe out. Again, inhale, same nose. Inhale. Holding, side change. Breathe out. I am doing breathe out now. Again, inhale. Holding. Exhale. Then again, inhale. Then change side. This is the way of the Anulom Vilom. Okay. So U type, just it is going for continue U type. Thank you. Next go for Brahmari. Listen parents, it is very important one. First you give the sound. This sound will go to the vibrate your brain, remove stress and improve our concentration. Okay, first I close my ears. Close my ears just like this. Then I start sound. Keep my hand like this. Start sound. Breathe in. Again breathe in. Then finally, not open your eyes. First like this. Keep on your eyes. Slowly open and see your hand. Like this. This is the Brahmari. Then you go for the, it's a very important part, meditation. So meditation is only, we should concentrate on your breathe in, breathe out, normal breathe. Whatever you're doing, the normal breathe, there only you should bring it to your concentrate. Okay, sit straight just like this. Chin Mudra position. Because the Chin Mudra position is the meaning of whatever you think, that will happen. That is the meaning in this Chin Mudra position. When we'll sit in this Mudra, so it will control the mind. So please, and just only for concentrate on your breathe in, breathe out. Again repeat that point. Very slowly, normal, keep the body relaxed, happy mind. So relax, feel and normal breathe. Just you watch, mind or watch one. Yeah, just finally like this and keep on your eyes, slowly open your eyes, see your hand. So thank you so much. Children, please you already practice this week and we'll meet next week. So thank you so much.